What you got?
Crackers.
You better hurry up and feed them.
Well, there's the police right there. You think they'd sing?
They're going to stop the boat for you throwing out crackers.
Get it.
There they come. Here they come. Get some more.
Oh yeah, you want this? Mom, quit bringing crackers.
No, throw them out. Throw them out.
Why do these birds poop on me?
Go get some more. Get them coming up here. See? Here, take one and put it in your hand. Get one. Give me one.
I don't have any.
Hurry up.
Here.
Hold it where they can see it. Dude, let me do one. Let me do another one. You want to do one, Shawn?
No.
Hello. Say hello, my little friend.
Is that all of them?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Okay, is this the last one?
Okay. Yeah, this is it.
This crushed? They're all crushed?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
That's it. They don't want to come out as far as
That was fun. The cop's getting our room number right now.
my room number is on the outside.
They're phoning the boat right now. Two white males, one white female. They're feeding the birds illegally.
Wouldn't it be funny if one of the birds go up just one
Say
time,
hello.
cigarette out, and dude took a cigarette. Look how green it is along the